Introducing Generac's new Speed Wash Pressure Washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The Speed Wash Pressure Washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3,200 PSI. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer. The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results. The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 Speed Wash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The Speed Wash Pressure Washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The Speed Wash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's Speed Wash Pressure Washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.
Circulates water around the motor, which lowers the operating temperatures. It also improves performance and prolongs motor life by up to 5 times.
Meet the all-new K1800, electric and easy to use with more power and portability. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1800 generates 1,800 PSI of true pressure cleaning power. Use it to restore your home's exterior, your patio furniture, fences, or garage doors. Anything that needs a deep clean. Karcher. Cleaner. Quicker. The lightweight and portable K1800 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. The handle even folds for compact storing. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly, so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.